everyone! Welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. This is Yoshimi. Today I'm going to show you how to make garlic pepper ATSUAGE steak. ATSUAGE is deep fried tofu. Because it's deep fried, it's nice and firm outside, so it's easier to handle compared to regular tofu. The garlic ATSUAGE steak I'm making today is very easy and you can make it in no time. Let me show you how to do it. These are what you need. ATSUAGE deep fried tofu, some garlic, 2 tablespoons mirin, 2 tablespoons soy sauce, and black pepper. I'm slicing the garlic first, so let's peel. And slice it thinly. Put it aside. Now let's cut the ATSUAGE into 6 blocks. Put about 1 tablespoon of olive oil into the frying pan. Let's put the garlic. Turn the heat on and cook it over low heat until garlic is brown. Looks good, so let's fish them out. And put it on paper towel to drain. Turn the heat to medium and let's add ATSUAGE into the frying pan. And just cook them until it's nice golden brown. It's nicely brown, so let's add the seasoning. 2 tablespoons mirin, 2 tablespoons soy sauce, and black pepper, as much as you like. Keep cooking to mix them all together. When it's all coated with the sauce, it's done. Let's serve it on the plate. And the garlic chips I made at the beginning. Garlic pepper ATSUAGE steak is ready to go. So easy. Okay, it's time to eat. Itadakimasu. It's tofu, but because it's deep fried, it has the body. And with the garlic and the pepper, it's really good. I feel like I'm having chicken or something. Yum. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up on every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, so don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything. Bye!